In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model, texture and render a photorealistic logo. I'll post a link to this tutorial's PBR images in the description below. Let's create a text mesh. Let's edit the text first after pressing Tab. Looks like the screencast add-on just crashed. I'll reactivate the add-on afterward. Let's bevel and extrude the logo. Please match my settings. Let's move this logo to the center. We need to create a new ground plane. Let's add gradient texture, mapping, color ramp and texture coordinate nodes and connect them like this. We need red and yellow gradient like this. Please match my settings. We need to increase the metallic and decrease the roughness. Let's subdivide the ground plane with 100 cuts. Please activate an add-on called Node Wrangler to use this feature. Let's press Ctrl, Shift and T together to open the PBR images. Let's set up the render scene. I'm using Shift and tilde to navigate using the mouse and WASD and QE keys. Let's do the rest of the usual render setup with the cycles renderer, filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. Let's disable filmic and curves. Please use them only when they seem to make the scene look better. The displacement and bump setting is what we need. Let's modify the normal and displacement settings. This is the end of the photorealistic logo tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.